Remembering San Francisco, when the girls took my cameras to the city by the bay. They visited the Golden Gate Bridge.
É ou não é o lugar mais maravilhoso que existe? Lindo!
Bom, gente, esse sol arrasou. Obrigada, São Francisco, por essa vista.
They saw the city from the Twin Peaks. They took the ferry between Sausalito and San Francisco Port.
Eu acho que é aqui mesmo, que olha ali, ó, tem a linha do ônibus.
They went to Pier 39.
Nós vamos parar aqui e eu tirar foto. Vem.
They traveled to Napa Valley. Domaine CHANDON was one of the stops at Napa Valley.
A vocês. Saúde. Tudo certo, ok?
Amém.
They had a lot of fun and saw a lot of the city and the surroundings has to provide. I hope you liked this sneak peek of their good times in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you like this video, please click like right below here and subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you can get notifications of the new videos.